Hey there, welcome back. So if you've noticed anything about my style, it leans towards the cottage, and my front yard is no different. So I took advantage of the fact that some of my plants died during the last freeze, and I removed those and decided to plant a few more things. Now, I'm not done yet. I mean, it's just a starting point, but it's getting there. So come on in and take a look. If you're anything like me, when you move into a new home, you kind of live with the builder grade stuff. That's what I did, even with the plants. So I took advantage of the fact that we had a hard freeze and some of the plants that I had in the front yard were just dead. And pulled them out and started planting things that I thought would give it a more cottagey feeling. I love the way that star jasmine looks as it grows up a trellis, so I decided that I was going to make 2 trellises in the width that I needed for either side of my garage. I decided that 4 feet tall was exactly the height that I needed, since the address, the left side of my garage, it would cover up if it was any taller. So I measured the width of the brick here, and it was 14 inches. So what I did was I took the 1x3s, cut 2 of them that were exactly 14 inches wide. I took my 1x2 boards and I cut it exactly in half because it came in an 8-foot length board, so that I had 2 that were 4 foot tall. Excuse the mess. I have so many projects going on at the same time. So anyway, I cut my 1x3 by 8-foot board. I needed 2 pieces that were exactly the width that I needed. I cut those to that width, and then to make the little trellis-y looking thing at the top, I used a hole saw I had in my toolbox for creating doorknob holes. So I used that, and I cut through both of them at the same time, so I knew exactly where they were going to be. Sorry, I'm a one-woman show over here, so I wanted to make sure I got this on camera. So voila, I cut it, and it gave it that little notched look at the top. I attached it to my 1x2 by 4-foot boards, and I clamped them, and then I nailed them in place with my nail gun. Once they were attached, I measured from one side of the 1x2 board to the other side to know exactly how long I needed my cross boards to be. And then I created a 6-inch spacer so that when I attached them, they were all exactly 6 inches apart. And there you have it. It was so easy. These trellises were so simple to do, and they don't sell them this thin. So, I think making them for myself was really my only option. This one here I made last year, and it's held up really nicely. I guess I probably could stain it if I wanted to, but I haven't gotten to there yet. I found these white wicker pieces on Facebook Marketplace for $75, and I think they complete the cottage look. found this green screen window at Round Top Antique Festival several years ago. It's been in many rooms in my home, but I think it's perfect here on my front porch. I may put a sign that says welcome. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do, but I think it's so cute. The yellow rug I found at Target, and the colorful floral front doormat I found at Buc-ee's, and they completed. The lanterns I found at Home Depot in a set of 2. To show you the other side of my house. I love these purple heart plants and my crepe myrtle. And for the first time, I've planted hydrangea, and they're doing well. I made sure to add some hydrangea fertilizer, and there they are this morning. Aren't they beautiful?
When we wake.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side.